How to get beautiful home interiors within 2 months. Let's talk about that. What are the proven methods to get beautiful home interiors within budget in 60 days? If you are a homeowner or if you own an apartment in Visakhapatnam and looking to transform your house into a stylish and beautiful home without breaking the bank, then listen carefully. I'm going to reveal to you a step-by-step method when it comes to achieving maximized space, personalized style without worrying about overspending or hidden costs. Do this, and you can live in a home that reflects your style and enhances your daily life, all within your budget. Plus, the one thing that you must avoid at all costs if you want to save time and avoid the stress of doing it yourself. In fact, you can forget about do it yourself DIY projects or settling for pre-packaged designs. Most homeowners and apartment flat owners struggle with these four problems. Space optimization. They struggle to make the most of the limited space in their flats. Customization. They find it difficult in finding affordable yet personalized interior design options. Time constraints. Lack of time and knowledge to plan and execute interior design projects. Budget concerns. Fear of overspending or hidden costs during designing or renovation. Because of this, they face the challenge of balancing quality with cost effectiveness in home interiors. Not only that, but they also experience the frustration and stress of living in a cluttered or uninviting space that does not reflect their personal style. And you are not alone. Even I faced these challenges and struggled with frustration and stress on how to get beautifully designed home that maximizes space, fits in the budget, and reflects personal taste and lifestyle. And the truth is, if left unchecked, this problem can lead to ending up with an overcrowded, mismatched, or unfinished apartment or home that does not reflect your vision, leaving you frustrated and regretful. It's not just about a visible clutter, poor layout, and lack of style in your apartment. It's about feeling embarrassed to invite guests over and not fully enjoying your living space. But what if I told you there is a way out? Despite their best efforts and spending lakhs of rupees, why are homeowners struggling to get beautiful home interiors? It's because they are flooded with over information instead of right information. They are looking for how to do or how to get interiors versus who can help me get beautiful home interiors. They're looking at as a transaction, something which they can buy, rather than understanding that this is a journey. They are looking up images on internet for interiors, and these images lack customization required for their homes. And it's very difficult for homeowners to get implementation of these designs. So what's the solution? A solution tailored for homeowners owning homes and flats, a method that addresses your specific pain points and offers intelligent designs that make your home feel more spacious and functional. When I was looking for a solution that could help me get more space efficient, stylish results for all my clients, then I found that my ad hoc interior results. Instead of focusing on trying to piece together furniture and decor over time, without a cohesive plan, I realized that a well-designed home is not just about looks. It's about how it makes you feel every single day. Also, I adopted a new method using the signature design experience with the design framework. Here's a clear comparison. Old method versus new method. In the old system, we had the ad hoc design. In the new system, it's the signature design experience. Old system, we had DIY or generic designs. In the new system, we have the customized design framework. In the old system, high risk of budget overruns. In the new system, transparent pricing with no hidden costs. Old system would have inconsistent and cluttered look. In the new system, we have cohesive, stylish, and space-saving design. In the old system, time-consuming and stressful. In the new system, it's efficient, hassle-free project management. After I implemented the new system, the new methods, my results skyrocketed, leading to over more than 100 plus happy homeowners in Visakhapatnam. who have transformed their flats into dream spaces with our design services. That's not only for one particular client. I also implemented the same methods and systems for all my clients, and they also got better results very fast. So you must be thinking, what makes us so confident and qualified to say all this? So I would like to say that I am a qualified author on interior designing, and I have written a book to help homeowners get beautiful home interiors, where in my book I disclose 16 explosive secrets that guarantee beautiful home interiors. With my experience and unique insights, I've written and authored a book on home interiors to help new homeowners like yourselves. What makes us even more qualified? 50 years of experience. We are here in this industry since 1974. We have over 50 years of legacy in this industry. So we know what works and what doesn't. And it's not just that, we have so many testimonials from customers. If this is just a sample, Mr. Ravi Nair, after using this method, my flat feels so much more spacious and stylish. Signature interiors worked magic. Testimonial 2, Rani G. I was skeptical at first, but then the team understood my vision perfectly and delivered beyond my expectations. There is Miss Sumini who's saying it's more than just new methods and systems. It's a game changer. I have now achieved a home that I am proud of.
Multiply interiors, and the journey so far has been great, amazing. It does not feel like we are the customers approaching someone to get the work done. Rather, as Raj Garu explains, it has been a journey, and it has been like very systematic and a very great flow. So for us, this is my mother, Rani, and we love DIY projects. But the thing is, whenever we want to get something done, we always have this communication gap with our workers. So we find it very hard for them to get into our minds and understand what we want to tell them. But with Raj Karu, it's very different. He's like very professional, and Vasu also is the designer. They're like very professional and they know what they're doing because they're very experienced. So they clearly understand what our needs are, and they try to give us like good suggestions and which are suitable to us. Always customizable. Not that it worked out for someone, so we are suggesting you this. No, not that way. It's very personalized. So that we found very great here.
So that's Miss Yogita and Miss Rani. Let's hear one more person.
Hello, this is Bhuvneshwari from DAV Kathmandu, and I think I'm very, very fortunate to meet. I address him as Rajesh, Mr. Raj Patel, and I hand over my house to him. And today I got back my home. And when I say this, I think you understand what I meant. I just met him for a couple of times, and I just told him over phone that I'm coming to meet you for my interiors, and he was kind enough to accept it. And once I came there, I met him and I said that my home should suit to my personality. That's very, very important. And he has given me something better than a better version of me by personality. My interiors are wonderfully done, very spacious, very lovely. And I thank Rajesh for that. Thank you so much, Rajesh. And I am looking forward to shift to back to Vizag just because of the beautiful interiors he has done. And I don't know when it's going to happen. But anyway, thank you so much.
That's Miss Bhuvneshwari from Nepal, Kathmandu, who has got her home interiors done in Vizag. These are real voices, real transformations, and you could be next. With over 249 positive reviews on Google, we are rated number one. Our customers trust us to transform their spaces with style and efficiency. So many reviews, so many amazing positive feedback to help us grow and serve even better. So if you're looking to get results similar to those of my clients, I would like to invite you for an interiors clarity call and take personalized interiors consultation by clicking on the button below and scheduling an appointment with me or my team. Our cutting edge signature design experience outperforms any outdated methods you have tried before. It's faster, more efficient, and tailored for success. This personalized clarity call is completely free. And if you feel that I am the right person to help you and that I can get you the results for your interiors, then I will show you how we can work together in the future and elevate your journey. And that also includes investments from your side. So click on the button below and book now. I'll see you inside the call.